गुड इवनिंग एंड नमस्कार। वेलकम टू द स्टॉक इट स्मार्ट सेशन। स्टॉक इट स्मार्ट सेशन में आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। माय नेम इज स्वाति जायसवाल एंड आज मेरे साथ मेरी कलीग हैं शायंतना। शी विल बी टेकिंग अप द सेशन। आज का जो टॉपिक है इट इज ऑन फंडामेंटल इन्वेस्टमेंट एंगल से है, विच आई हैव कन्वेड yesterday also. सो दिस इज द प्लेटफॉर्म, द ऐप जो आप यूज कर रहे हैं। सो स्टॉकेज ऐप जो आप यूज करें उसका वेब वर्जन मैंने खोल रखा है विच इज 11.5. All right, so this is 11.5 version. So please get your app updated if it is not updated. जैसा कि मैंने कल भी बताया था और मैं आज आप सबको बताना चाहती हूँ दैट आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन दैट आप सभी प्लीज अपने फोन पे दो एप्लीकेशन डेफिनेटली डाउनलोड कीजिएगा. One is Stockage app, another is Stockage Social. These two application you should definitely have in from the very first day. Okay. So आज का जो एजेंडा है आई होप यू ऑल आर क्लियर कि आज हम क्या क्या टॉपिक कवर कर रहे हैं. इफ नॉट देन आई एम जस्ट अटैचिंग one image which will give you a clarity कि हम किस दिन क्या टॉपिक कवर करने वाले हैं. So I have sent that in the chat box for everyone. और यहाँ पर आप व्यू भी कर सकते हैं on the screen, on my screen, that today we will talk about investment portfolio, investment ideas, investment theme, mutual fund, SME zone, edge, insights, company filing. इसके साथ साथ शायंतना विल कवर ऑन द स्टॉकेज सोशल भी कि स्टॉकेज सोशल में आप कैसे म्यूचुअल फंड का पार्ट आप देख सकते हैं और इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडियाज जो वहां पे शेयर किए जाते हैं वहां पर भी आप कैसे देख सकते हैं. तो सबसे पहली चीज है देयर वाज सम इश्यूज विद द लिंक रिलेटेड टू यस्टरडे सेशन. तो मैं थोड़ा सा बताना चाहूंगी आप सबको कि वो रिकॉर्डिंग आप कैसे रेफर कर सकते हैं. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि आपको स्टॉकेज सोशल का एप्लीकेशन आपके पास डेफिनेटली डाउनलोड होना चाहिए, पर फिलहाल के लिए मैं वेब वर्जन खोल रही हूँ. सो व्हेन आई एम देयर ऑन द स्टॉकेज वेब ऐप या स्टॉकेज के सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म पे, दिस 9 डॉट ऑन द टॉप राइट आप सबको दिख रहा होगा. ऑन द 9 डॉट्स आई विल क्लिक ऑन स्टॉकेज सोशल. द मोमेंट आई क्लिक ऑन स्टॉकेज सोशल, तो आप जितने भी, यस राजीव जी, द स्टॉकेज सोशल डाउनलोड इज फ्री एब्सोल्युटली. सो स्टॉकेज सोशल ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म है इसके बारे में मैंने डिटेल्ड कल बताया था. तो आप देख सकते हैं द सर्च बटन पे यू हैव टू लुक फॉर रिकॉर्डिंग. सॉरी, या यू हैव टू लुक फॉर रिकॉर्डिंग एंड क्लिक ऑन एड टू सर्च, यानी कि आप एडवांस सर्च कर रहे हैं. एंड देन यू हैव टू राइट लेट्स से कस्टमर डिलाइट, यानी कि हमारा डिपार्टमेंट का जो हैंडल है, यानी कि कस्टमर सपोर्ट जो हमारा कस्टमर स्टॉकेज कस्टमर डिलाइट है, वो आप यहाँ पर वापस से एड टू सर्च करके सर्च बटन पे क्लिक कीजिए. ओके, एंड दिस इज हाउ यू विल बी एबल टू सी द रिकॉर्डिंग. आई थिंक yesterday's recording link has not been uploaded yet. So I will just ask my team to get it uploaded in next 30 minutes while I'm doing the session. तो यहाँ पर आपको कल का सेशन अपडेटेड दिख जाएगा. This is how you will be able to view the recording. Okay, all right. So coming back uh, on the Stockage website, I'll just come back to the Stockage website. All right. तो अब मैं जानना चाहूंगी आप में से कितने लोग हैं who are an active investor. Can I just get a confirmation, maybe like me, if you can write in the chat box. Great. Okay. So I'll just take, let's say I'll take an example of Sharad ji today. Okay. So today the entire topic is related to investment, related to fundamentals, everything related to long term, all of this we will cover today. So under the premium analytics, you will see investment ideas. Ye investment ideas is one of my favorite when I wanted to do my investment in on my personal level. तो मैं investment ideas देखती हूँ and this will really help me. ओके, तो आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप सब ध्यान से देखें. अगर आपको किसी भी पॉइंट में लगता है कि दैट स्वाति यू आर गोइंग टू फास्ट, या फिर आपको लगता है दैट स्वाति प्लीज काइंडली स्पीड अप, डू लेट मी नो सो दैट आई कैन गाइड यू अकॉर्डिंगली. ओके, सो आई लेट मी कंसिडर दैट शरद जी इज मी. ओके, तो शरद जी क्या करेंगे, एवरी डे ही विल कम टू द स्टॉकेज प्लेटफॉर्म and he will see investment ideas. Okay, when he come to the investment ideas, what he see that कि यहाँ पर investment ideas यानी कि हमने स्टॉक बताए हैं जिसमें वो अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। सो शरद जी का सबसे पहला जो सवाल होगा उनके मन में आएगा कि who prepares this report? So I would like to notify that Sharad ji, in our organization there are more than 35 plus research analysts who all are RA qualified. Also, I would like to notify everyone here that Stockage is a SEBI registered platform. Okay. तो नाउ शरद जी व्हाट ही सीज दैट कि यहाँ पर सारे स्टॉक्स के नाम दिए गए हैं, इसके बाजू में एच स्कोर भी दिया जा रहा है, कुछ की लेवल्स भी हैं, इसका मतलब क्या है? ओके तो एकदम सरल भाषा में मैं आपको समझाऊंगी शरद जी। जैसे मान लीजिए CCL प्रोडक्ट इंडिया लिमिटेड इज द स्टॉक व्हिच हैज बीन रिकमेंडेड, ओके हियर, कि आप अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट इसमें कर सकते हैं। तो एच स्कोर आपको दिख रहा है, यानी कि इसको हमने 22 दिया है आउट ऑफ 30। वेरी सिंपल। लेकिन शरद जी ये जानना जरूरी है कि ये स्कोर किस पैरामीटर के बेसिस पे दिया गया है, राइट? तो जब आप इस स्पाइडर चार्ट को क्लिक करेंगे, you will see the 6 parameters here, right? So there are 6 parameters which is given here. Every parameters has got a weightage of 5, यानी कि हम इसे 5 के weightage पे रेटिंग दे रहे हैं। तो इस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक को CCL प्रोडक्ट को रेटिंग मिला है 22 आउट ऑफ 30। दैट इज वेरी गुड नंबर, या फिर व्हाट इज अ बैड नंबर? ओके So Sharad ji, we say that any stock which is getting a score above 19 or 20, it is a good stock. That is why it comes here. Okay. And I personally prefer that any stock which scores above 21, it is a good for me to get into the investment. Okay. यहाँ तक आपको समझ आया? यानी कि ये सारे स्टॉक्स, पहली बातें मैंने आपको बताई कि ये स्टॉक्स कौन लिखता है, मतलब कैसे हम ये डिराइव करते हैं, इसकी थॉरो केस स्टडीज यहाँ पे दी गई है, जिससे अगर आप PDF पे क्लिक करेंगे यू कैन डाउनलोड दिस। दूसरी चीज, इसका वेटेज क्या है, इसका स्कोर क्या है जो हमारे रिसर्च एनालिस्ट ने मिलके दिया है। तो आप देख सकते हैं इसे 22 मिला है आउट ऑफ 30। मैंने शरद जी को ये भी सिखाया दैट अगर आप स्पाइडर चार्ट को क्लिक करेंगे, आप ये जो ओवरऑल वेटेज है वो आप इसकी देख सकते हैं कि किसको क्या वेटेज मिला है, अकॉर्डिंगली उन्होंने कितना स्कोर किया है। यहां तक अगर आप सबको क्लियर है तो प्लीज मुझे कंफर्म कीजिए Y एज ए yes और N फॉर नो। ग्रेट, ऑल राइट, ओके। अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। सो नाउ शरद जी सी कि यहाँ पर 560 का लेवल्स दिया हुआ है, यानी कि ये एंट्री लेवल है बताया जा रहा है, बिकॉज इसकी कलर ग्रीन में है। द कलर इज ग्रीन बिकॉज इट इज आस्किंग टू मेक माई एंट्री। सो लेट मी क्लिक ऑन दिस 560। When I click on 560, I landed up to the chart of this particular stock, CCL Product India Limited. Okay. Now, wow, यहाँ पर एक ग्रीन जोन बना हुआ है, ये देखिए 560 लेवल से 600 के लेवल पे, यानी कि शरद जी you have to accumulate this stock, you have to make your entry between this green zone, that is 560 to 600 zone। यानी कि आपको अपना एंट्री यानी कि आपको अपनी एंट्री या फिर बाई यहाँ पर करनी है। अब आप देखिए शरद जी, ये बहुत ही परफेक्ट एग्जांपल है। यू कैन सी हियर दैट मोस्टली एवरी क्वार्टर वी रेट दिस स्टॉक, ठीक है, हम रिव्यू करते हैं एवरी क्वार्टर, जो भी स्टॉक हम यहाँ पे देते हैं वी कीप ऑन रिव्यूइंग कि उसका परफॉर्मेंस कैसा हो रहा है, हाउ इट इज हैपनिंग, ठीक है। सो यू मस्ट हैव सीन दैट इन जुलाई वी गिवन अ स्कोर समवेयर अराउंड 21, सितंबर में अराउंड हमने 22 दिया है। तो यहाँ पर हमने एक बाइंग जोन दिया था विच वॉज अ लेवल ऑफ 450 to 500। तो अगर मान लीजिए कि शरद जी ने ये स्टॉक तब देखा होता, अगर मैं स्टॉकेज में थी तो मैंने अपनी एंट्री यहाँ पर बनाई होती है, ठीक है। ओके, नाउ सेकंड जब हमने इसमें बाई सिग्नल दिया, सो वी विन अ 580 to 620 का रेंज, यहाँ पर मैंने वापस से एक्यूमुलेट किया। दोबारा इस स्टॉक में हम वापस से बाई का बता रहे हैं 560 to 600 लेवल्स में, यानी कि आपको अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट इस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक में एक्यूमुलेट करते रहना है इसी तरीके से, ठीक। देखिए अगर आप मुझसे आइडियल पॉइंट पूछेंगे तो मैं इसकी एंट्री लेवल इसी रेंज में करूंगी, बट नो वन इज स्टॉपिंग यू टू परचेज एट 640 लेवल्स ऑल्सो, वो आपके ऊपर है। पर वी विल ऑलवेज रिकमेंड कि ये ग्रीन जोन्स आर द मोस्ट ग्रेट जोन टू मेक योर एंट्री। ओके, नाउ दिस इज ए इन्वेस्टमेंट थिंग, तो ऑब्वियसली ये 15 दिन, 1 महीना, 6 महीने के लिए तो है नहीं। इनिशियली 1 साल से 2 साल या फिर 3-4 साल के लिए भी आप इसे इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं, एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं। ओके, तो ये मैंने आपको बताया कि आपको एंट्री इसमें लेनी है। तो मैं एक बार दोबारा बैक कर रही हूँ। आई कुड सी अ ग्रीन लेवल 560, दैट मीन्स आई एम गोइंग टू मेक माई एंट्री हियर। पर अब शरद जी के मन में ये सवाल आया, स्वाति, when should I sell this particular stock, right? So whenever there is a selling point or you wanted to book your profit, we will turn this key levels into red color. That means you have to start booking your profit either partially or either you can come out of that particular stock, because that red color is a cautious level that you have to get little cautious, because this is what we are ideally telling you. Okay, so I'll just show you another example जहां पर की लेवल्स रेड है, ताकि मैं आपको अच्छे से एक एग्जाम्पल पे दिखा सकूं जहां पर बाइंग जोन भी दिया हुआ है एंड देयर इज अ सेलिंग जोन ऑल्सो। ठीक है, तो चलिए, मेरा पहला यहाँ पे मुझे एसीसी लिमिटेड दिख रही है, कंपनी दिख रही है। ओके, सो इट हैज गिवन अ रेड लेवल, वी हैव गिवन दिस रेड लेवल, व्हाई? बिकॉज दैट मीन्स हम इसमें अपना प्रॉफिट बुक करना शुरू कर देते हैं। तो अब मैंने इसमें एंट्री करी थी एक बार, चलिए मैं 2700 के पॉइंट पे क्लिक करती हूँ। अब देखिए सर, जब इसमें एंट्री की लेवल्स हमने बताया था, तो इट वाज अ लेवल ऑफ 1650 टू 1800। मैंने अपना परचेज करा था इसमें, वेरी वेल। नाउ वी हैव गिवन द एग्जिट लेवल जोन फ्रॉम 2700 टू 3000 लेवल। नाउ this particular stock is trading around 2463. This is the level. But sir, if I would have made an entry between 1650 to 1800 point, this stock is almost near to the, close to double, and this is a time range between not even year. Because अगर आप देखेंगे कि ये जो ग्रीन जोन का हमने ये लेवल्स दिया था, this was close to in the month of July, which we have given the last year. And this year we are giving a red zone where you can either partially book your profit or you can come out of the trade. But sir, fundamental doesn't tell you this is a long-term investment. We never recommend you to completely come out of the stock, but आप अपना partial profit book कर सकते हैं। पर अगर because मैं आप सबसे बहुत ही पर्सनल लेवल पे बात करती हूँ, तो जैसे अगर आप मुझसे मेरी क्या ओपिनियन रहती अगर आप मुझसे ये पूछेंगे, तो मैं क्या करती, देखिए सर, ऑनेस्टली आई डू नॉट हैव अ ह्यूज कैपिटल, I have limited capital. So I'm getting a lot of opportunity here जहाँ पे मुझे यहाँ पर ट्रेड्स दिया जा रहा है, इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडियाज में इन्वेस्टमेंट बताया जा रहा है। Okay, in that case, what I will do is, sir, if it is coming close to 2700 level, if I do not have a patience, I will exit at 2600 level also. But yes, I need to definitely follow whatever range is given. I will square off my entire position from this because I wanted to invest that money into a different particular stock, which I have not entered yet. So this is the best example just to show you that हमने ये green levels entry की भी हमने दी थी और अब हमने इस पे exit level भी दिया है, which is not even a 1 year results, which I'm showing to you right now. Right. So Stephen, Stephen, sir, you have asked about the stock which will move onwards, right? So sir, I would just like to tell you how to use this application, how to use this particular feature. Because if you do not know how to use this feature, then sir, you will not know कि आपने तो entry कर लिया, but you don't know how to exit out of this stock, right? So that is why, so whenever we will give the key levels, you might see that the 5-6 like this exactly, we keep on telling you accumulate your stock, accumulate into this particular stock. That means you have to keep buying. So this is an investment, right, that you're doing in this particular stock. So you have to start accumulating. जब भी हम इसमें green zone देंगे, key levels जब भी हम green में देंगे, आपको accumulate करना है। और जब when we give the red levels, we are telling you, sir, we are coming back to here with the report कि now this is turned out to be red. Now you have to start booking your profit, right? Now ACC Limited में देखिए सर, वो प्राइस अभी तक आया नहीं है, but still we have given you alert पहले ही कि sir, this is the zone where you have to come out of that profit, right? Okay. So this is the another stock, which is, let's say, Sheela Foam Limited. It got 24th score out of 30. So the same way, the accumulation zone is given in the green line, and here is the exit line, so which we have given already. And if you are getting into this zone and we have given here the selling position 2500 to 2400 level. You can square off your position accordingly. So this is yeah. Devi ji, like, yeah, you have a very good question. 1 second. 1 second. I'll just read out Devi ji's question. Devi ji, that the price is low or high, ma'am, we will only recommend you when the zone is ready to purchase, because we have to see a lot of things, right? So you can consider the case study before you wanted to make your any of the entry, but we are making your life little easier कि हम आपको जोन बता दे रहे हैं कि उस ग्रीन जोन में ही आपको एंटर करना है. और ऐसा नहीं है कि लाइक द ग्रीन जोन इज गिवन, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हमने रैमको सीमेंट यहाँ पर है, इफ वी आर गिविंग अ लेवल लेट्स से 750 टू 800, पर उसका लेवल 600 में है या 650 में है, इफ वी हैव नॉट मार्क दैट मींस देयर इज समथिंग बिहाइंड दैट इज व्हाई वी आर नॉट मार्किंग. वी आर गिविंग यू अ सेफ एंगल in terms of getting your investment done. Sir, the latest update, so the stock which come at the top, right? I'll just show it to you here. So the stock which comes at the top are the latest one, and latest one in terms of we have either reviewed this again or we have published the key levels again. So all these comes at the top. So let's say for example, एक example पे समझ लीजिए, जैसे SRF Limited हमने मान लीजिए इसको बहुत पहले दिया था, और अब SRF लिमिटेड का ये रेड लेवल्स आ गया है, रेड की लेवल्स आ गया है, तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली ऊपर में आ जाएगा. सर दैट मींस द टॉप वन विल ऑलवेज कम एट द टॉप, द लेटेस्ट विल ऑलवेज अपीयर एट द टॉप. Okay, let me just see. So the gap means that ये तो last traded price से जो key levels के price है वो उसमें कितना difference है. So this is the difference of let's say around 0.40% का है. It is very close to reach out to this level. तो जैसे कि ये already reach out हो चुका है, cover कर लिया है, तो इसीलिए इसमें आपका percentage का difference दिख रहा है. So that means हमने वो key level से हम कितना ऊपर में है, gap में है, वो यहाँ पर आपको दिखाता है. Let me just see any other question. So the investment ideas parameters, as I explained, if you click on the spider chart here, जब आप इस spider में टिक करते हैं, क्लिक करते हैं, you'll be able to see the parameters कि किसके basis पे हमने इसको H score दिया है. And for the further detailed studies के लिए, you can get into the case studies. ये देखिए PDF version है. If you click on that, you will be able to view the report here, and it will open in a separate PDF format, and you can also see the date of the reports when we have published this report. Shantana, would you like to take a few more questions related?
I'll just like look into some questions. So since I'm part of the case study team, so I'll be able to elaborate a little bit more. I'll just share my screen. Just give me a second's time. So here is the investment idea. Just a second. So there was question pertaining to where we get these levels from. So I'll just open a PDF to help understand better. These are all done under internal valuation basis. We have a team who prepares the report, and there is a valuation part to it through which we arrive at these key levels. And these key levels, if you see, that gets captured here, right? So these are the key levels that gets captured here, and it is based on internal valuation metrics. So, and another thing is there was a question pertaining to how do we give scores on basis of these basic parameters. So what we do is say suppose growth. So just focus in this case study, And if we see that under growth, we have three parameters, that is sales growth, EBITDA growth, and PAT growth, right? So here what we do is we take into consideration a company's CCL products, past, present, and future performance. जैसे कि like वो past में कैसा perform किया, historical performance कैसा था, current quarter या current period में वो कैसे perform किया है, and going forward हमें कैसा लगता है. But based on that, we give it a score, right? So going through it, our analyst who has covered this particular company feels that growth should be given a 4 out of the total of 5. So hope I have been able to clear certain doubts. If not, then you can put forward your question. Yeah, so this is what was about the investment idea. Any more questions pertaining to investment ideas? All right. Swati ma'am, you want to continue or you want me to carry on?
No worries. You can just maybe like we will just check with everyone once again. अगर
Sure,
आपका
sure.
question है तो please आप अगर हमसे कुछ miss हो गया है तो please do not worry. You can post a question again here. You can just quickly check Shantana, and then you can just take investor portfolio then.
Okay. So like gap का मतलब I'll again explain. So firstly I'll check देवी मैम का question है. Oh, just a second. I'll just see. So yes, we also the parameters on which we cover is like I'll focus. We have growth parameters, so we cover all the important aspect that is required for to judge a company on basis of fundamentals. So we have growth where we discuss the PAT growth, the EBITDA growth, and the sales growth. I'm moving in the reverse direction, so sorry for that. So here we take sales growth, we discuss the EBITDA growth, PAT growth. Again, we are under the profitability, we check out the margins, we check out the return metrics, and then again we provide a score on the same. Then we have the cash flows, which talks about how the company has fared on its cash flow performance and what has impacted it and what has aided it. We put the same out here. So working capital wise, it also free cash flow, here you get to see that, say suppose the company has undertaken certain capex expansion plans and it is done whether through internal accruals or through debt. If it is from internal accruals, then it will have a bearing on the free cash flow movement. So we present that here. Then the asset turn, how well the company is, utilizing it asset base to generate the sales. Then we have the solvency, which talks about the debt profile of the company. And it's whether it is in the like it's generating enough operating profits to cover its interest obligations, and the current ratio, which talks about the liquidity. So how is the liquidity profile of the company, that gets checked under this parameter. And then here we talk about the valuation, where it's PE and how well the company is providing with the dividends. And now this is where the valuation part comes into play, or the levels which gets captured there. So you can see here it's clearly mentioned that the zone of 560 to 600 acts as a strong base, right? So this is based on internal valuation, where we take certain assumptions, estimates, and we come up that this particular level will act as a strong base for the stock over the long period of time, right? And then we also judge the management and whether they are in changes, we put out here also. Then the important part, that shareholding, how it is faring, whether there has been FFI interest or the FFI have paid their stake. Same goes on with the DIIs and the other non-institutions. And we also provide you the breakup of the top public shareholding. So you can say whether these institutional what is the institutional participation is there in this particular company. We also talk about sector potential, the competitive landscape, and the future outlook. So overall, we provide a very comprehensive outlook on a particular case study. So fundamentally, we cover all the major aspects that is required to judge a company and make an investment bet. So I'm clear on this. And so here I want to say that we cover not SME firms, and what we do is we on suo motu basis, we decide on which companies. No, it's not only on large caps. We cover small caps too. It depends upon wherever we find that, there is the investment will be good for the individuals, we cover those companies. No, these are only fundamental based. This has nothing to do with technicals. It's purely fundamental based. Yes, this Sharad sir, this reports are, get updated every quarter. Okay, I have see what more. No, Uttam sir, all parameters are very important. You can't ignore one because you need to understand when you judge a company, it is not one parameter. We keep on repeating that it is not one parameter based on which you should take any investment decision. It has to be a very holistic approach where you have to put a lot many things together and then you have to form a conclusion. So be it growth is very important. Again, if growth is, again, profitability is also very important. What is impacting the profitability? Say, suppose a company has very good, top line growth. However, due to some reason, say because of the interest or say for other reason, depreciation, its bottom line is getting impacted, or there are some tax related issues because of which its bottom line is getting impacted. So over the period, that won't generate a good return for you. So all the parameters are very important. Okay. Green and red band, I'll explain it once again, right? And also the gap. So what is this green band? I'll just increase the time frame, right? So this green band is nothing. It is the place based upon our internal valuation. We feel that it is safe or it is judicious to enter this particular stock at this price level, right? This is what is indicated by the green zone. Now, similarly, I'll take an example where I can show the top level. I'll just check. There is. Just a second. I'll see which company to take. Say I take Eicher Motors, that will be. Yeah. So here you get to see a company where you have both the red and the green band. So the green band, as I stated, that it talks about a judicious entry point, जहां आप enter कर सकते हो ये stock, and this is based on our internal valuation, correct? And similarly, the red zone that talks about कि जब आपका ये stock price उस level पे पहुंचे, तो you can either be cautious since ये investment के बारे में है, so आप ये 2 to 3 years एंड बियॉन्ड के लिए है. सो यहाँ पे आप इधर कॉशियस हो जाइए, आप पार्शली अपना प्रॉफिट बुक कर लीजिए या आप यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा वेट कीजिए. ठीक है, दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर रिस्क एपेटाइट. करेक्ट? होप आई एम क्लियर टिल दिस. Okay. So I hope I'm clear with investment ideas. Swati ma'am?
Yes, sure. Please go ahead.
Okay. So this is what is about investment ideas. Now we will a little bit focus upon the various reports which are published by our research team. So one which Swati ma'am has clearly indicated, that was the case study. Now let's see what all other reports that comes from our end. Now I'll just stick to the fundamental ones. So here, if you go to the edge report segment and under the all tab अगर आप click करोगे, so आपको मिलेगा case study, con analysis, infographic, IPO notes, stop to watch pertains to the technical team, technical aspect. So that will be taken in some other session, and others are also there. So let's see case study जो हम लोग already देख चुके हैं, लेकिन एक बार देख लेते हैं. देखिए ये सारा डेट वाइज है, so it gets updated every quarter, and the latest one is Oberoi Realty. So moment you click on that this, you get to see a little bit synopsis of on the same. आपको ये spider chart दिखता है with the edge score, and once you click on this report, आपको ये report full मिल जाएगा, which talks about the various aspects of the company, and you will get a hang whether you should go in for investment in this particular company or not, right? So this is what is about the case study. Now let's focus on something that is called con call analysis report. Now this is very interesting. So अभी earnings season चल रहा है, and earnings season में companies analyst team के साथ interact करती है, where you get to know इसके इस quarter का performance कैसा था, how they are, what are their plans, the company's plans, and the analyst question answer round में आपको और ज़्यादा nitty gritty granularity of the company के बारे में पता चलता है. How so this it's usually a 1 hour long call, so हम लोग के पास उतना usually investors के पास इतना time नहीं होता है, क्योंकि various time points पे वो होता है. And secondly, even transcript जब तक आते हैं वो भी 18-20 pages के होते हैं. Again, people don't have time to capture what are the important points in those transcript. So what we do is, our team, we sit and we attend those calls, and we capture the major points here, right? Say Chalet Hotels ka call, we capture the major points, the financial highlights we provide, how the company has performed, what are the business highlights, and future outlook kaisa hai. So this gets captured in a very concise and comprehensive way, and you get all the major details out here. So this is what is about the con call reports. I'll see any few questions are there. Right. So this is what about the con call report. And you see it's all date wise. So आपको मिल जाएगा. Now the second one is IPO notes. Now this is very interesting and very, so IPOs होते हैं जो जब भी आते हैं, the major ones we prepare reports on that. And so what happens is IPO जब भी आता है तो we have to collate information from various places, right? And that becomes very tedious. कभी सही से उसके ऊपर information, we don't get proper information on the same. So what we do is we create this IPO reports prior, and then it talks about it talks about a little bit about what the company is into. And here we have this very good gauge meter chart, which talks about that how prima facie we feel that this particular IPO is going to be: poor, average, good, or excellent. So Go Digital General Insurance, as per our report, it comes to be average. So let's peek into the report. So the report, it talks about, number one, the overview. What is the IPO note is all about, the issue details, the financial highlights, issue के size कितने हैं, and that too in one report. So you don't have to jump from one news portal to the other or one news to the other. आपको सब कुछ एक ही जगह में आसानी से मिल जाएगा. Then it talks about the company में क्या कैसा क्या है. जैसे यहाँ पे आपको ये चार्ट इजीली दिखाता है कि ग्रॉस रिटर्न प्रीमियम का मिक्स कैसा है. Then सेक्टोरल आउटलुक कैसा है, जिस सेक्टर में ये कंपनी है उसका परफॉर्मेंस कैसा है। नाउ द कॉम्पिटिटिव लैंडस्केप, इसके इंश्योरेंस, गो डिजिटल के इंश्योरेंस के जो अदर प्लेयर्स है वो उसके कंपैरिजन में कैसा है, व्हाट इज हाउ इट इज। तो यू आपको कंपैरेटिव एनालिसिस भी यहाँ मिल जाएगा। See, here you get the comparative analysis. The very important part is the promoter's background and shareholding that you get to know, which is very important. And pre and post shareholding क्या होगा वो भी mentioned है. What are the risk factors you need to look into? Its profit and loss accounts, everything is here. And we also provide you with a SWOT analysis of the same. And at last you get the timeline कि इशू कब से ओपन हो रहा है and close कब है, listing date क्या है, you get everything, right? So this is about IPO note. And then we have this infographic, which is a mix of technical and fundamental. So since today's session pertains to fundamental, we'll stick to that. And here we have, I'll just see here. Month on month change in sales of automobile companies. You get to see which company has the highest change in month on month sales basis, right? So this is shown here. Fine. I'll see. Ankit sir का question है, how to in sir per share percentage wise it depends upon कि आपका सेट लाइक विच सेक्टर में आप ज्यादा इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं, एंड देन वेदर इट इज लाइक मोस्ट शुड बी मोर स्कोर्ड टुवर्ड्स लार्ज कैप और स्मॉल कैप, ये आपके रिस्क एपेटाइट के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. Okay, now we are done with edge reports as well as investment ideas. Now let's focus on our company filings. Now, what is company filings? So companies कभी भी कुछ भी अपना कोई भी changes हो, be it pertaining to management या कोई capex कर रहा हो या कोई acquisitions कर रहा हो, everything needs to be informed to the exchanges where it is listed, be it NSE or BSE. So what we do is आपको 5000 कंपनीज के अलग अलग जाके BSE या NSE में चेक नहीं करना पड़ेगा. आप to make things more simpler, what we do is we had put this company filing segment जहां उसके अंडर में you get all these segregations done, you know, category wise. Now say suppose I'm interested in knowing कि कौन कौन से कंपनी में acquisition हो रहा है, right? मुझे सिर्फ इतना जानना है. So what I'll do is I'll simply click on acquisition and date wise हमें acquisition related कोई भी रिलीज आया हो, कंपनी से कोई भी कंपनी से कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन आया हो, that will be shown here, right? Say suppose Exide Industries में कुछ आया है acquisition related. What we'll do is we'll simply click on this PDF report and we get to see the exchange filing. The entire exchange filing is here. Simple. So हमें NSE, BSE में नहीं जाना पड़ा. I just clicked on acquisition related, सारे information date wise हमारे पास आ गया. Say suppose कोरोमंडल में information आया है, it has increased stake in drone company Daksha, right? So वो यहाँ पे मुझे easily मिल गया है. So अगर मैं नहीं भी जाऊँ कोरोमंडल के साइट पे, तो मुझे यहाँ पे just कोरोमंडल के नाम से, and if I'm interested, I'll open and मुझे यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. Right? Now, this was about acquisition. Say suppose मुझे ये भी जानना है कि अब किसमें कौन कौन कंपनी डिविडेंड्स डिक्लेयर कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज अभी FY24 के Q4 के रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द कंपनीज आर कमिंग अप विद अनाउंसिंग देयर डिविडेंड्स. से सपोज मुझे जानना है कि डिविडेंड कौन कौन सा कंपनी दे रहा है, सो आई कैन बेनिफिट आउट ऑफ द सेम. सो यहाँ पे देखते हैं कि ओरिएंटल कार्बन में कुछ है, श्री सीमेंट में कुछ है. सो इफ आई क्लिक ऑन श्री सीमेंट्स, recommended final dividend of 55 per equity share, right? And if I'm interested कि मैं X date के पहले इसमें शेयर्स लूंगी और मुझे ये 55 पर equity share का फायदा होगा. Now, say suppose इतने सारे फाइलिंग्स हैं, सॉरी, एंड मुझे इतनों में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. आई एम ओनली इंटरेस्टेड इन फ्यू. सो व्हाट आई डू, see I have already star marked few. I'll again show, say I'll acquisition koi, I'll just remark it and see acquisition added to your my company filings, right? अगर आप अपने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में देखेंगे मेरे स्क्रीन के, you get to see this my stockage icon, right? Click on this and here you get this my company filing icon. Once I click on this, you see जितनों को भी मैंने स्टार मार्क किया है, all those filings categories are placed here. So cut down the noise. To cut down the noise, you simply find only those where you are interested or you are looking into. So I'm interested in acquisition, it's there, bonus, it's there, buyback, and the others, right? Okay. न्यू ऑर्डर वैसे कोई कैटेगरी नहीं है. I'll just check once if it's there. I don't. ऑर्डर बुक सर आप, हाँ ये है. सो ये ऑर्डर आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा, राइट? माय बैड. So here you find order. If you type company filing में order and you get this new order project recognition. Just click on this and you get this entire date wise. Okay. Now say suppose ये हो गया category wise company filings. Now say suppose अगर मुझे सिर्फ एक particular company के company filings को check करना है, what will I do? It's simple. Say suppose I'll get into Britannia. I'll let me check Coromandel. I type Coromandel. And here under the update segment, you get to see this announcements. Simply click on this and आपको date wise यहाँ पे सारे जितने भी filings है वो सारे date wise आपको मिल जाएंगे. Now to cut out the noise, here is the funnel where you can filter accordingly, according to your choice, according to your preference. Say suppose आज जैसे there is something in Daksha related news, so I'll type acquisition and we see that there has been some equity stake increase in Daksha, a drone company, correct? So this is what about if you want to check company filing on individual basis, right? So hope I'm clear till here. If not, please feel free to put forward your questions. Okay, I'll check. There is a question. All right. Now I'll move forward till here. Now let's focus on investment theme. Now, what is investment theme? So there are certain narratives, right, which helps to move a certain industry, a certain sector, and the companies which are there in those sectors, few of them or most of them tend to benefit out of the same. So it is not possible for the investors to know what is the new narrative that is getting developed in the market. And so what we do is the research team of Stockage, we identify those themes or those narratives and help you to come up with and identify the stocks under those narratives so that you can make your investment bet under those themes, right? So okay. So Say suppose here under investment theme, we have certain narratives. Say suppose green hydrogen. And again, these get updated on regular basis. Okay, as and when there is any requirement. Say suppose on 1st May, it has been updated. So here if we check green hydrogen, if we click into it, firstly, it talks about the theme. Now, what is the theme about? Types of hydrogen. You get to know a basic synopsis. Introduction is provided. Second comes the stocks. Now, here you will find which all the stocks that tend to benefit from this green hydrogen narrative. So here you have Reliance, now Larsen and Toubro, NTPC, Tata Power, GAIL, and other. Now here what we do is, see under Reliance, you have this read more option. Ab usko click karo. The moment you click, you get to first see what is the relationship with this particular company, that is Reliance Industry and green hydrogen. ठीक है, आपको उसके बाद description मिल जाएगा. And the most important, I'm so sorry, is the impact. That is the correlation between this particular company, Reliance, with green hydrogen, whether positive or negative. So you see that here the impact is positive. तो अगर green hydrogen को impetus मिलता है, so we know beforehand that Reliance stands to benefit out of the same. Correct? Now here is the price, the changes, and you get a timeline, and you see अगर हम check करना है कि how these particular companies under this theme has performed the last 6 months, it has been pretty decent. Similarly, I'll take another which continues from the COVID period, that is China Plus One strategy. So here is the intro, and we see what are the stocks that stands to benefit from this. We have a list of few, say, and then you can check the last 6 months. Again, they have shown some, since the chemical sector is under pressure, rest has performed decently. So this is what investment theme is all about. Now, post that, let's focus on investor portfolio. Now, what is investor portfolio? Here you have both. Here we talk about both the individual ACE investors as well as institutional big investors. So we'll stick to the individual ones for easy understanding. So what is these ACE investors? What we do is, we know that sometimes most of the times we tend to clone their ideas and make our bet accordingly. This is number one. And number two is, we have also seen that whenever these ACE investors make an entry or exit in any particular company, the share prices get impacted to an extent, right? So what we do is, we provide these details of the ACE investors portfolio. So you can see that where these ACE investors are increasing or decreasing their stake, the allocation, like whether the skewness of their investment is towards large cap or small cap, or which sector they are like more inclined to. So an entire like thematic scheme is provided, right? So here we take the first one. So first you see the name of the ACE investors, the number of holdings that is there, what is the estimated amount of that holding, right? And which is the top performer. And this is the 3-month change, right? So we see Vatek Bagh Limited as the top performer. Now let's get into this and see how it looks. So first we get to see the estimated holding, the number of companies. Here you will get to see highest shareholding, which company has the highest shareholding in this particular portfolio, where has been made the recent change been made, and the red and the green arrow will indicate whether there has been uptick in the stake or there has been a downtick in the stake, right? And the major bulk deal. Now, what I was talking about, the sector and the market cap allocation. So you see here sector wise allocation में diamond and jewelry में सबसे ज़्यादा है, followed by finance, and market cap में large cap में skewness सबसे ज्यादा है, राइट? नाउ वी विल गेट इनटू द शेयर होल्डिंग and you see all the share companies with their shares and the percentage. Now there was a question कि ये कितना टाइम फ्रेम में अपडेट होता है. So ये every quarter अपडेट होता है, राइट? आप देख सकते हैं पूरा डिटेलिंग, अगर आप इसमें क्लिक करोगे तो आपको मिल जाएगा डेट वाइज सारा. सो आप यहाँ पे आराम से इसको देख के अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडिया या इसको एनालिसिस के पर्पस के लिए भी आप यूज कर सकते हो. So this is now it's the key changes. So here it will be like whether there has been where there has been key changes, major ones. So here आपको सारे highlighted मिल जाएंगे and also the previous holding कितना था and current holding में अभी क्या है उसका position का details भी आपको मिल जाएगा, right? So here again I'll say Vijay Kedia and Associates. So यहाँ देखेंगे कि स्मॉल कैप में 100% एलोकेशन है एंड मेजर वन इज टेलीकॉम एंड ऑटोमोबाइल एंड एंसिलरीज एंड 17 कंपनीज है विद द एस्टिमेटेड होल्डिंग ऑफ 1600 करोड़. और अगर इसके शेयर होल्डिंग में जाएंगे तो अतुल ऑटो में मैक्सिमम कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है, राइट? सो दिस वाज अबाउट द इन्वेस्टर पोर्टफोलियो. सेकंड वी विल मूव टुवर्ड्स द SME zone. So what is SME zone? So SME stocks are stocks as the name suggests, which is small and medium size. Now it is similar to the other. The only difference is that these companies are listed separately so that you know that there are sometimes there are liquidity issues, and to safeguard the interest of the investors, they has been demarcated separately by NSE and BSE. Correct? So the difference is these companies report their financials not every quarter but semi-annually, that is 6 months. And second, here you can't buy or sell one single stock. You have to buy it or sell it in bulk. Now bulk has correlation with the price. Higher the price, lower is the lot size and vice versa. Correct? So this is about the SME stock. हाँ, सो जैसे ओरियाना पावर में अगर हम इसके फंडामेंटल में जाएंगे, सो आपको क्वार्टरली में डेटा नहीं मिलेगा, आपको हाफ ईयरली में मिल जाएगा बिकॉज ये हाफ ईयरली अपना रिजल्ट्स अनाउंस करती है, राइट? आई जस्ट टेक यू टू NSE to show the demarcation. यह देखिए आपको SME पहले इंडिकेट कर देगा. SME इंडिकेट करता है एंड मार्केट लॉट इज द लॉट साइज दैट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट. So if you have any questions pertaining to SME stocks, feel free to post it in the Fundamental Club in the social platform, or if it any price related you need any price related query, post it in the technical club and we'll help you and guide you accordingly. Now comes this Edge Insight. Now what is this Edge Insights? So before I begin, I just want to say that this particular segment gets updated at the end of every day, that EOD basis it gets updated. So क्या होता है यहाँ पे? What we do is कुछ भी मेजर चेंजेस होता है ओवर द डे, be it technical or fundamental, we capture those in snippets and we provide it here. So at the end of the day, you can just go through it and you can understand where the major changes have taken place or what are the major highlights of market. ठीक है? And it is a mix of both technical and fundamental. Now, say suppose यहाँ पे आया है महिंद्रा महिंद्रा का न्यू केस स्टडी रिलीज हुआ है विद एन एच स्कोर ऑफ 2021, राइट? अगर आप ये एरो में क्लिक करेंगे, दैट विल टेक यू डायरेक्टली टू द चार्ट लेवल्स. ओके, नाउ से सपोज यहाँ पे और एक टैब है विच टॉक्स अबाउट अदर केस स्टडीज, एंड इफ आई क्लिक ऑन दैट, it will take me to all the case studies that has been published till date, right? And here it will take me to all the edge reports. So you provide two other tabs also. Say suppose यहाँ पे I'll take another example. Okay, Shriram Finance में there has been some news pertaining to divestment or diversification. Now, if I click on here, it will take me to that particular press release, right? Company filing, sorry. And if I click on this similar stock, then it will take me to the page where it talks about all the companies where there has been something to do with investment, divestment and diversification. And here again, as the name states, all the company filings. ये मुझे directly all company filings में ले जाएगा. So hope it's clear till here. Okay. So I'll Harvest, sir, if you have any query, please put it out so I'll be able to guide you on the same. And I'll repeat Edge Insights once again. So the thing is, yes, Explore Premium Analytics, Pro Analytics के just below एक segment आता है, which is Edge Insights. So what is Edge Insights? Edge Insights throughout the day, whatever has been there, whatever the updates are there in the market, be it technical or fundamental, it gets captured in these small snippets. And these gets updated at the end of every day, right? So this pertains to both technical as well as fundamental. Now, if I click on view, so मुझे ये पूरा 13th का जितना भी updates है, वो मुझे सारा मिल जाएगा. ठीक है? Now, say suppose यहाँ पे Mahindra and Mahindra में there is news that a new case study has been released. The score is also provided and the nearest key level has also been provided. Now, अगर मैं ये arrow पे click करती हूँ, it will directly take me to that price level, right? Now, if I click on other case study जिसका tab नीचे provide किया गया है, so it will take me to all the case study reports that has been published till date, right? And here will be the all edge reports जो मैंने beginning में आपको show किया था, be it whatever is there, a con call report or a case study or infographic and IPO note, everything, right? Now say suppose I'll go a little bit below and see कि श्रीराम finance में कुछ और आया था pertaining to divestment and diversification. Now if I click on this arrow, मुझे वो company filing में लेके जाएगा, right? And if I click on this similar stock, I get all the stocks where there has been something pertaining to divestment or diversification, right? And just beside that, there is another tab, which as the name suggests, it will take you or direct you towards all the company filing segment, right? Okay. Yes, you can plan, you can create an alert. Mahesh Patil sir, you can create an alert. I'm not there on Twitter. I'm so sorry. how is the nature of the company? I'll just show it in a second's time. Right? I'll just take Harvest sir question, that nature of the company. So if you go to a particular company, say I'll type Coromandel. I'm showing you from the beginning. Say मुझे Coromandel में जानना है. So it'll take me to Coromandel. यहाँ से आप प्राइस BSE NSE टॉगल करके देख सकते हो. एंड अगर आपको फंडामेंटल्स जानना है तो ये ओवरव्यू सेगमेंट है, कौन से सेक्टर में है, विच इंडस्ट्री, कंपनी वेबसाइट, करंट प्राइस, market cap, category, even we get help you to like pre-calculated enterprise value bhi hai, earnings price, then EPS is there, then price to earning ratio is there, industry, everything is there, right? So you get the overview segment from here. All right. So Edge Insights is clear, and now let's quickly move to the mutual fund segment. So under the equities, you have the mutual fund segment. So if you're interested in mutual funds, so here AMC में आप क्लिक करोगे तो आपको AMC वाइज जो मेजर AMCs है वो यहाँ पे लिस्टेड मिलेंगे. एंड इफ यू क्लिक ऑन इट, आपको स्कीम्स देखने को मिलेंगे. ऊपर में एक टॉगल होगा वेयर इट टॉक्स अबाउट वेदर इट्स एन इक्विटी, डेट में क्या है, हाइब्रिड में क्या है, एंड अदर कैटेगरीज में क्या है, व्हाट इज द AUM साइज, NAV. अगेन अगर आप यहाँ पे टाइमलाइंस में टॉगल करोगे तो आपको NAV का परफॉर्मेंस टाइमलाइन वाइज मिल जाएगा, राइट? Say if I stick to equity SBI mutual fund and go to say SBI infra, so the AUM size is 279394, right? And the NAV is 46, and over last 6 months it has generated a return of 40%. So let's get into it. So you get to see the NAV movement. If you go to the holdings, आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगा कि डोमेस्टिक इक्विटी में कितना है एंड कैश में कितना है, उसका सेग्रीगेशन. एंड डोमेस्टिक इक्विटी में होल्डिंग्स का हाउ इट इज, राइट? सो यू कैन चेक द एंटायर लाइक होल्डिंग of this particular scheme, and here लेटेस्ट अप्रैल का टिल डेट, अप्रैल का भी आपको डेटा मिल जाएगा. सबसे ज्यादा कहाँ पे है, what not. And if you go to say March, again you can see the changes, everything is here. You can also find the fund manager details, who is managing this particular fund, how many, if you click here you can see how many funds are there under this particular manager, how what is the return generating capability of this particular fund manager. So you get to see everything here. I'll take few questions before I sir, FNO is not today part of the discussion, but if you have any queries related to FNO, please put it forward in that club. Now, जैसे मैंने आपको दिखाया था कि theme in the equity segment, similarly we have also created theme here in the MF category. So tax saving investments में कुछ 5 schemes हैं, say suppose international funds हैं, and you know moderate risk वाले funds हैं. So if I click on international funds, again a small intro and what all are the schemes that is there under this international funds. So आप ये इसको बहुत अच्छे से, this is a very interesting feature in our app. Please do use it so that you can, you know, benefit the maximum out of the same. So do use mutual investment theme. Okay, now I'll quickly take you to the social platform. Anyways, we are running out of time. So आपके web में you get these 9 squares. Just click on this and you get this to go to the StockEdge social. राइट। सो यहाँ पे अगर आप लेफ्ट में थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेंट्रेट करेंगे, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, यू सी दे आर नंबर ऑफ क्लब्स हियर, investing idea club, trading idea club. So the first two clubs talk about some stock recommendation. देखिए ब्लू में शो किया गया है स्टॉक रिकमेंडेशन, राइट। सो फॉर एज द नेम सजेस्ट, ट्रेडिंग आइडियाज के लिए, शॉर्ट टर्म पर्पस के लिए आप ट्रेडिंग में आइडियाज में जाएंगे, where you get to see a lot of trading ideas from all the blue tick, green tick members, right? And in the investment ideas, again, you get to see many like recommendations from the members. Now, another interesting is if you want to, like, you can also check our case study from this investment idea segment, which we also posted here. So आप देख सकते हो कि investment ideas के अंदर में भी सारे case studies posted हैं, right? Next comes the doubt solving. Now, what is doubt solving? Say suppose doubt solving we have fundamental, technical, FNO, commodity currency, mutual fund. So उसको related अगर आपके पास कोई भी query है, आप यहाँ पे post कर सकते हैं. Now I'll just show how to post your query. Say suppose I want to know about, fundamentally, I want to know how this particular stock Britannia is expected to perform or anything. So what I'll write is view on. Now comes a little trick part to it. What we do is we dollar tag all our company's name so that we can access that later. So what we do is we type dollar, don't put any space after that, and type the company's name. So you'll get a drop down list from where you can select the company's name and post it. And within 48 hours, it is expected that your view on this particular company, query on this particular company will be reverted, right? So this is about how to post your queries in the social platform. So for pricing details, please take the help of the customer support team. They will be the better person to help you understand, right? Now, as Swati ma'am explained at the beginning of the session, how to access the recording. So you will type support and you will get this Stockage Customer Delight. Add to search. After that, type recording and search, and all the links pertaining to the sessions recording you will get here. And if still you are not able to find the recordings, then please put forward your queries in the Stockage Customer Delight page, stating that you want which particular recording of which session, right? So this is what was about today's session. Hope you guys have I have been able to explain to you the app's nitty-gritty to the extent possible. Again, if there are any further questions or queries which I have missed or you have, please feel free to post it in the relevant clubs so that it gets resolved at the earliest. Thank you and have a very good day.
All right, so tomorrow we will meet related to the scans, and there are a lot of things that we will cover tomorrow. So I'll just share the calendar once again in the chat box for everyone's convenience कि कल हम क्या-क्या cover करेंगे. So I just have posted here, all right, in the chat box. And just to update you that tomorrow we're gonna cover, tomorrow is Wednesday, कल हम scans, combination scans cover करेंगे, trending stocks कैसे निकालना है, कैसे ढंग से use करना है. And also we will share विवेक सर का जो combination वो use करते हैं combination scan, जैसे कि फीपा काफी जगह पे उन्होंने ये बताया है ये सारी बातें. So he gonna cover that, we gonna cover that too. And I hope you all are loving our session. So thank you so much. Thank you, Shantina, for taking the session. कल
Thank you,
दोबारा हम सब
Shruti.
मिलेंगे and tomorrow will be a next session, mostly on the trading. Thank you, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.